that the magic medallion from CNT Pyramid Health Products?
Yeah, I'm gonna be rich now.
I can't believe things like that are being sold legally.
Try to push down my arm. Huh? Now try again to push down my arm. See? Can be done.
You know you've been cheated.
Don't be so cynical.
Could be worse.
Yeah, all of tonight's dinner money could have been spent on it.
Oh no.
Hey, I'll just wish for dinner.
Hey, can that make my cat more playful? Hey, it works! Dalam video pertama, kita membahas penggunaan mudah be, being, been. Dalam video ini, kita akan membahas bentuk sedikit lebih sulit menggunakan present perfect tense. We also reviewed some uses of the simple be plus adjective. Be dengan kata sifat.
Yeah, I'm gonna be rich now. Don't be so cynical.
Could be worse.
Tapi can't be done adalah bentuk passive tense.
Water can be frozen. Bacteria can't be seen. The movie will be shown on TV.
Wanita itu bisa mengatakan you can't do it atau nobody can do it. Tetapi di dalam situasi ini, mungkin ini lebih natural dan lebih singkat untuk mengatakan can't be done.
See? Can be done.
Laki-laki di sini pertama kali menggunakan bentuk present continuous passive.
You are being lied to. People are being killed in that country. The law is being broken.
Untuk mengatakan tentang masalah sosial.
I can't believe things like that are being sold legally.
Dan nanti, dia menggunakan present perfect tense.
My wallet has been stolen. The game has been cancelled. They have been given an award.
Untuk mengatakan tentang sesuatu yang terjadi pada wanita itu.
You know you've been cheated.
Kemudian, dia menggunakan bentuk present perfect passive tense untuk mengatakan tentang sesuatu yang kemungkinan terjadi.
You could have been hurt. Be more careful. I could have been bitten by the dog. I was lucky.
Yeah, all of tonight's dinner money could have been spent on it.
Work terkadang berarti berfungsi dan itu digunakan dengan machine atau cara. In the video, it's used with talking about the method of making the cat more playful. Hey, it works! Notice that work goes with it because it is the method. So, harus pakai S. We need to say, it works or it doesn't work.
Hi guys, look what I got.
Hey, isn't that the magic medallion from CNT Pyramid Health Products?
Yeah, I'm gonna be rich now.
I can't believe things like that are being sold legally.
Try to push down my arm. Huh? Now try again to push down my arm. See? Can be done.
You know you've been cheated.
Don't be so cynical.
Could be worse.
Yeah, all of tonight's dinner money could have been spent on it.
Oh no.
Hey, I'll just wish for dinner.
Hey, can that make my cat more playful? Hey, it works!
Action.
Hi guys, what I got.
What do you mean what you got? What do you mean what you got?
Push down my arm. try to push down my arm. Try to push down my arm.
Oh no. No.
Try to push down my arm. Oh, what? Try to push down again my arm.
My arm again. Not again, my arm.
Now?
Hey, can that make my cat more playful? Nope. Hey, it works. Doesn't really work though.